control. I lost my self-confidence. It's kind of hard to turn it there. I mean, it's not hard to turn it, but I mean, you've got to maneuver it left and right, up and down, so on 3 dimensions. Shit. Okay, wait. It's difficult. It's not like a remote control car. Oops. I'm horrible. And I was a helicopter pilot too. Such a thrill out of this. This is like the best invention ever.
It's pretty cool.
And the blades don't break because they're retracted, they fold. So when they hit something, they just automatically. This is a great invention. Best thing.